This is a little wattle-bird, or brush wattle-bird, I think they're also called. They're a honey eater, but they will start on a diet of insects. There you go. When they're nesting, they'll start taking insects because it helps them with more protein for making eggs. There he goes. They're a beautiful bird, but they're bloody noisy. And their big brothers, the red wattle-bird, are even noisier. I've been trying to get one of these on film for a while, so I'm lucky I bought my camera. There you go. There he is. Aussie birds rock.